I'm recording now. Okay, give me a second. I gotta get out from behind the camera. Listen closely. Okay. We're the Dancing Idiots! And coming to you from our backyard. Now, we're gonna dance in time to our own mental music while connected. Yeah, let's see how this works out. Carter, go away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle toes, twinkle toes, twinkle toes, twinkle toes, twinkle toes. Da 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 da. Back, 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 back. And da da da. Ow, that hurt. As you can see, we're really bad at dancing. Well, that has been us, the Dancing Idiots, and my idiot brother Carter. They're big idiots. Get away from the camera, idiot. No! And my brother Carter, the biggest idiot. Hey, out of the way. Goodbye and good.